شیر خدا داماد پیمبر حیدر 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 شافی محشر ساکی کوثر حیدر 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 بولنا میں نے جب سیکھا تھا ماں نے میری یہ مجھ سے کہا تھا بولنا میں نے جب سیکھا تھا ماں نے میری یہ مجھ سے کہا تھا بولو بیٹا جان لگا کر حیدر حیدر بولو بیٹا جان لگا کر.
I think the Shia Voice is an amazing initiative to encourage youth around the whole world to be proud Shias, proud people when they come to calling out the names of the Ahlul Bayt and the names of the Prophet, and it's such an amazing honor to be here and part of this competition.
گونج اٹھا دربار کے اندر گونج اٹھا دربار کے اندر حیدر 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 حیدر.
Ahsant. Mr. Smiley, I love it.
Ya Allah.
How'd you feel?
Alhamdulillah, amazing.
Good, 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 good. Good energy, good energy, good energy.
I never came with the intention of winning, so for me, just being here to take part, meet other people, meet the judges, and other amazing participants is an honor enough.
Said Mesum, you had something to say?
Yeah, mashallah, you recited so well. I was happy to see your smiley face, and you kept the emotion in the manqabat. Do you know who this is recited by, right? The original?
No, I'm not sure, no.
Do you know Mir Hasan Mir, the renowned?
Yes.
The only issue that I'm having is because I know the original one, I know the original tune to it. So, شیر خدا داماد پیمبر حیدر 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 حیدر.
MashaAllah, Sayyid Mesum.
There's a couple of things I wanted to point out. Very briefly, I'll go through it. Can you do the same thing in tempo? Because the tempo that the audience is, you want the audience to recite Haidar, Haidar, that was pretty good. But if you want to continue that in the first stanza, you slow the whole tempo down, and that kind of kills the ambience, right?
Okay.
1. 2, some of the notes you weren't hitting properly. I think for that I would recommend a good vocal coach. Maybe even talk to Ahmad Raza himself, and he'll take you under his wing.
Of course, this is Sayyid Mesum, the expert in this field, giving his critical feedback for the brother to improve his recitation.
I'm just trying
Mesum,
to...
how was his recitation?
No, his recitation was amazing.
Okay.
It was great. I love the jazba. He got the audience involved.
Good, good, good.
But because, like I said, because I know the original one, and it's unfair to you because it's to expect you to be reciting at Mir Hasan's level. But I want this platform to be something where you can take tips from, not just negative, opinions. Something I would focus on is some of the greats that have done Noha Khani, Manqabat Khani. What they do is the words, when you're saying Haidar, Haidar, lion. So I want you to roar like a lion when you're reciting. Haidar, 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 Haidar. Instead you're smiling, right? You're being a little bit kind with Haidar. Haidar needs to be, you need to show it. I don't want to say a little more than that, but I'm going to, if you can allow... Say, I don't know what to call him now either.
Yeah, me neither. Haj Nazar, anything to add?
Assalamu alaikum, brother Irfan. Do you like the good news or the bad news? I mean, we don't have anything bad. I mean, the positive or the negative.
Everything is good, constructive.
Subhanallah. Beautiful, beautiful. Look,
that's the spirit, mashallah.
Your character is very beautiful. Yeah, smiling, and so far I can say it looks like you don't care if you go to the next round or you don't, because you are serving. As I can read in your biography, it's saying he has devoted his life to serving the Ahl al-Bayt. So put that in your mind. Put that in your mind, yeah? Okay, Brother Irfan. It's written here originally from Kenya, yeah? Your tune was African, not Urdu. This is my provision. I know what I'm saying. Your tune was for South Sudan, Kenya, Somal. The paragraph, each paragraph, you were reciting exactly same. Yeah. Exactly same. Yeah. Same template. For me, okay, I know a bit Urdu. Yeah, for who doesn't know Urdu, it's same. You are repeating same. But still, I tell you, you have very beautiful character. Wallahi, I'm not joking. Yeah. You have very beautiful character, and you want to be at service of Ahl al-Bayt. You can continue. We are here. Inshallah. Learn from this advice, and mashallah.
Ahsantum, Haj Nazar. Sayyid Jalal, I will go to you, and then inshallah we'll finish with Sayyid Ammar.
Irfan, okay, overall your recitation was good, but you know, sometimes it was fast, sometimes slow, so it didn't have a proper actually structure. So inshallah you work on this, and overall, as they mentioned, your smile is perfect. Thank you very much. Thank you.
We'll end with you inshallah, Sayyid Ammar.
Irfan, what's your local center?
Jaffrey Islamic Center, Nairobi.
That's your local at the moment? So you've come all the way from Nairobi?
So I'm studying in Birmingham.
You're studying in Birmingham. Well, firstly, Birmingham are very lucky to have someone like you. That there is no doubt about. Because for a Khaja to make a qasida have that much, you know, happiness and smiles behind it is something the community needs a lot. Because sometimes you could go to some parts of the Khaja world where you don't know if it's a wilada or a wafat. Yeah. And you are very much needed. Because the moment you hold a mic, you're electric. Your smile's electric, your passion's electric, and your attitude will go a long way. But I think what the man to my right said to you is of the utmost importance. It's all about being mentored. A person who recognizes that there are experts out there who he can train under, they'll go a long way, because it's all about attitude. You've got the right attitude, you can go a long way. Get somebody to be your coach, and believe you me, Karachi, you'll be looking after it very well. Well done, well done.
Ladies and gentlemen, Irfan Nanji. Thank you.